Okay, let's jump into one of the hottest trends in digital marketing right now.
It's totally changing how we shop and connect with brands online. But here's the thing, so many brands are making mistakes that kill their results.
So, could you be making them? Let's find out how to avoid these common pitfalls.
Think of it as part entertainment, part shopping, all happening in real time. Okay, mistake number one, treating this like old school e-commerce. It's just not. One is just static photos and text. The other is all about connection and energy. Your audience wants fun. If you sound like a robot, you won't build any trust.
All right, on to mistake number two, just winging it. You absolutely have to prepare.
Here's a quick checklist to make sure your session goes off without a hitch. Seriously, the host is everything. The wrong person can make even the best products seem dull. Mistake number three is a big one. Ignoring your audience. This is a conversation.
I mean, people are typing, sending reactions, they're engaging with you right now.
They are asking you questions. And you know what? They expect answers immediately.
So you gotta give shout-outs and answer those comments. Make them feel seen.
Because when viewers feel engaged, they're way more likely to buy and come back.
And the final mistake? Thinking you're done when the camera turns off. Nope. That post-show data is pure gold. It tells you exactly what worked and what didn't. So what's the secret sauce to all of this? Well, it's actually pretty simple. That is how you turn a one-time viewer into a loyal customer for life. So ask yourself, are you building a quick transaction or a real relationship?